What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. I know it's been a couple of weeks, so I thought I'd give you guys a quick little update. You might notice a couple different things about my car, and I have posted a little bit about it on Instagram. But as you can see, the wing is gone off the car, the rear louvers are gone off the car, and the carbon fiber mirror caps are also removed. So I'm gonna tell you guys all about that in a second. I just wanna say thank you guys so much. We are almost at 10,000 Instagram followers, and I announced on there on my story a couple of weeks ago, but as soon as I hit 10,000 followers on there, I am going to do another giveaway. It's been a few months, actually it's been about 7 months since I've done a giveaway, and I just wanna keep you guys informed. I will update that once I hit the 10,000 followers, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put the link in the description, but let's get into today's video. All right, so getting right into it, guys. As you can see, I've got my rear louver right here, right behind the dirty Aston Martin. I washed it a few weeks ago right before I went on vacation, but it is still dirty. But yeah, the rear louver is off my car, and the reason why is because in this extremely hot North Carolina weather, right now it's like, I don't know, about 100 degrees. When it's on my car, it actually starts to pop up a little bit right at the edge of the roof line. I think the heat kind of warps it, and I don't know if you guys have seen my video, but it is a eBay part. I got it pretty cheap off of there a few months ago, so I knew it wasn't going to be a perfect fit. It fits on there nicely until the sun starts hitting it and it's just baking it, and it starts popping up in a couple different spots. I just didn't really like it like that, so I am going to put it back on the car. I'll get some stronger tape, and I'm going to wait probably till the end of the summer when it's not 100 degrees every single day and my car is just sitting out there. I don't know. It just doesn't look good when it's popping up like that. But the reason that we have the wing off of the car is because it's actually just getting re-clear coated. The carbon was starting to fade, and I dropped it off at my brother-in-law's body shop. So he's going to re-clear coat the carbon fiber, and he's also going to paint the wing mounts, which I don't know if you guys have seen before, but they have turned from black into like a bronze gold. Probably, again, because of this extremely hot weather that we're going through right now. And same thing with the mirror caps, the dry carbon mirror caps. I'm also getting them clear coated, so they'll be a little bit more of a gloss. But anyways, we're going to jump right into today's video, which we're going to be doing a simple JDM modification to the FRS and also to the Cube. Let's get into that right now. All right, guys, so here we have it. Today's modification is something really simple, but something I've also been wanting to do to both of these cars. It's a Tsurikawa, Japanese JDM, Bosozoku style little handles here that they're going to hang, you know, from the passenger side handles at the top of the cars. So I've always really liked the style of these. It kind of gives it that JDM look. I ordered one for Sarah's Cube. She wanted the pink handle because we are going to start doing a few extra modifications to this car right here. Announced it on Instagram a few days ago, but we're going to start doing some things. We're going to keep it functional. You know, this is the family car, it's the big car, so we're not going to lower it or anything, but we're thinking of wheels, maybe some graphics. Who knows? We're gonna really get into that. We'll start building it, and just let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What do you think we should do to this car? So I went ahead and ordered a black one for my car as well. So let's get these put on the cars. Is that a turbo and a meth injection kit? It's not what it looks like, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about this right at the end of today's video, so stick around. But anyways, the first step we're going to do here for this simple install is you're just going to want to unscrew these screws so you can access the you know, the strap here, so you'll be able to get it around your stock handle. So basically you just unscrew those, take this little plastic piece off, and then we'll get it in the car and we'll screw it back together and see what it looks like. Also, we'll do the same thing for the pink one here. It looks like it's using pretty much the exact same screws, even though these came from two different vendors. I ordered both of them off of Amazon, so if you are interested in something like this, if you don't already have it, I'll put the links in the description below of the exact ones that I bought here, but there's a lot of different options. I just personally enjoy the hearts. But anyways, let's go put it in the car. So let me just start by saying this. I don't pay attention to anything apparently, and I don't know anything about my car. So my car doesn't even have handles over here. I always thought it had one right there, but I guess I was mistaken. But anyways, I got the Tsurikawa handle. I hung it right from my window visor here, and I think it looks awesome. I'm glad I went with the black on black, although it's not as, you know, prominent from the outside. When you're on the inside, it really matches. And daylight's kind of going away from us here, but you can kind of see it in the windshield there. And of course I got the cubes. The cubes, you can see, perfectly, you know, especially when it's light outside. The sun's kind of going down, but the pink with the white looks great. I decided to kind of do the same thing on the Cube as well. Is I hung it directly from the visor. She had a little smaller hook, so I kind of went in from the side and then screwed it, but I think it looks awesome. I think if I hung it right here, you know, you hit your head on it getting in and out of the car, but here it looks super cool, and Sarah's gonna love it when she sees it there. Anyways, let me guys know what you think. You think that's a kind of a cool, unique JDM mod? I've always liked them. I've seen them at car shows. Didn't really know what they were. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description to both of those. But anyways, back to the mystery turbo and the meth injection kit. This is not for my car, like I said at the beginning of the video. This is for something else, and we do have another car coming to the channel very, very soon. Let me know what you guys think it is in the comments below. But it's not my car, it's my friend's car. It's Kevin's, the guy who owns this Aston Martin. You guys have seen him in plenty of my videos. But anyways, that car should be in the next video, I would assume. He picked it up this weekend, and I should be meeting up with him later on this week if time allows. So I'll bring that to you guys next. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today's video, guys. Like I said, we're almost at 10,000 followers on Instagram, and we're getting close to the 2,000 subscriber mark on here. I couldn't do this without you guys anyways. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.